Here we go again, guys. Here is another question. Bracket x minus 1 close bracket plus bracket x minus 2 close bracket greater than or equal to 4. This is how someone did it, solve the equation using their method of graphical explanation. I would use a different method to solve this same question because you know in the mathematical field, question can solve many ways. Here we go, guys. Good morning to you guys. Here we go again. Today I am focusing on this inequality equation on the book. Now I showed you previously how other people would attack this question, but I'm gonna show you now how I will do this question now. What most people fail to understand is that a simple inequality equation like this can easily solve, same as how you would solve an equation of this type. Now, an equation of this type is a normal linear equation, and this is an inequality equation. Only thing is different is the rule that applies to inequality equation as it relates to multiply and dividing a coefficient. Now, what I'm going to do is to show you a simple and effective method of solving this inequality equation, guys. So look at this. So first of all, having this question here greater than 4. Now this is the operator and this is a plus sign. So what this is saying is that it separates this group from this group. Now if you want to remove the bracket from here, you have to multiply the bracket by some coefficient. Now as you can see, the bracket by itself is being multiplied by 1, so it is, you can write this as this. So by removing the brackets, you end up with this inequality equation. So what we're going to do is to group like terms, so the x's, and then we group the unlike or the constant terms. That's crazy. I say unlike, these are the same. So we group these terms. Now we're gonna have 2x here, and here we're gonna have -3. So for this, you treat it same as if you were treating a linear equation. You got to get all the constants over to the right hand side of the equation. So leave us with the variable. And this become plus. So we have 2x greater than or equal to 7. Now what the rule states is that if you're dividing and multiplying by a negative number, then you should change the sign or invert the sign, but this is a positive number, so we're going to keep the sign the same. So this is the value of x for which satisfy this equation. So I can do a test for you if you want, and I can show you like how you will get a 4 or greater than, like this would be greater than or equal to 4 if you were to plug in this value plus 7/2 minus 2. So to see if this equation is true, what we're going to do is to do this. Now it's a simple way to do this is to say this into this, right? You will end up with 3 and 1/2, and then you can do this minus by 2/2, or this would be 1. It can be 2/2 or it can be 1 if you want. And this you have the same 3.5, take away 2 greater than or equal to 4. So look at this now. So the 1 can cancel out of this, you have 2.5 plus the 2 from this, you end up with 1.5 is greater than or equal to 4. So this is 3 and this is 4. So 2.5 and 1.5 equal to 4. So this is true. So thank you for watching, guys. That's the alarm in the background. Time for me to get ready to go to work. So let me know if you understand this question and tell me where do I go wrong, if I made a mistake whatsoever, and share along in the comments. Thank you for watching, guys. Please remember to subscribe.